Hello guys, Rad Performance here today, and today I'm showing you how to do a radiator on this piece of crap, a 1998 Honda Civic. So the first thing obviously you're going to do is unhook your hoses. That would be pretty self-explanatory. You remove, well actually the first thing you're probably going to want to do is drain your antifreeze before you disconnect some of your hoses. This is your upper hose. Your lower hose is right here, runs in there to your thermostat. The two little rubber bongs sitting down in there, and that's how it sits in. Then you have this piece that actually mounts it. So you get the radiator, does not come with the fan. So you have 4 bolts. These are all completely rusted and gone. These snapped, so that was at least nice, but this guy I had to get a little creative with. So if you're like me and you have a lot of rust, I'm gonna cut here. If you notice, these guys aren't holes like those guys. They have a slit. So we're gonna I'm cutting them. I'm gonna remove him out, take him to the bench and try to get him clean because we need the fan for the new radiator. Okay guys, so we're here on the bench. I got those out. I made my cuts as you can see. So if you notice, these guys actually aren't round at the bottom. They have an opening so you can just slide the fan down in. And then the same as with this guy. I just put him on with my crescent wrench. And then once I turned it to free him up, to wiggle him around, he's just gonna come right out. And now we should be able to pop this fan right in. Okay guys, and there you have it. The radiator is back in, bolted down, fastened. We put the 2 bongs in, set it down right in. We have our fan nice and swapped over. Hopefully he kicks on, but he did before, so he should now. We were able to reuse all the hoses. I had to put a worm clamp because one of the clamps happened to disintegrate and rust apart. So we saved what we could, put a new one up here. And then you just have to, I'm gonna fill up the overflow. This thing has been able to burp and went down, so it should be good. Engine's running well. All right guys, please like, comment, subscribe if you like this down and dirty tutorial on how to replace your radiator in a Civic, and please leave more in the comments on what you'd like to see me show you how to do to this car. Alrighty guys, until next time.